How to create running totals in Excel. Here the first running total is 1, as at this point it is the first and only number. For the next running total we need to add the next number, and the running total becomes 1 plus 2, which is equal to 3. Then add the third number to your current running total, and your new running total becomes 3 plus 3, which is 6. In essence, each time you add a number, you're updating the running total to reflect the new sum. This method is good but not the best because as soon as you delete or add a row in the range, it won't update automatically. As an alternative to that method, you can do the following to have it in a dynamic format. Just select the entire range, then click on the quick analysis symbol, select total, and then all the way to the right you find the running totals option. This with the yellow color, not the one with the blue color. Just click on it and then take a look at what happens. Excel automatically inserted all the running totals for you. I will justify this column to centralize the figures. Also, when you click on any of these cells, you can see the auto-inserted formula, which helps to sums up an entire range, meaning that if we add or delete a row in our range, the running total will update automatically. That's it.